Because if you use it right, it's the right thing to do. Because this is really actually a dangerous thing. Let's forget about the const part. Returning a pointer to one of your data members is a dangerous thing because all people can change your data then. And it really defeats the whole purpose of information hiding.
It also really screws you over if you're using it as part of a hashing or sort function.
Yeah. If someone returns, I could have code. I mean, it'd be awful, but there's nothing I can do in my class that has this method. There's nothing I can do that keeps someone from doing this. Well, sorry, object. Object. They call get ID. They get that ID through a pointer.
Ew.
Oh,
that would do it.
that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, and you wouldn't like that, right? And so that's why people will say, once they started to realize, oh, yeah, that might happen, then they started adding const out here, saying, okay, or making this const, which is when you return a const, so you can't actually delete it.
That's one way.
A double const here.
The other way is to simply make a copy of it and send the const.
Yeah, another way is to make a copy. For char stars, that's oftentimes, well, actually, then you have storage problems.
Yeah.
You get some storage, but anyway. Yeah.
You guys have been on the other side, the mutators. What value do you pass in when using a char star? Because then I had like get ID, and then I think I had char, and then it was like ampersand ID, and then I had like ID equals AID or something. I mean, something along those lines, but I didn't know what I was actually doing.
Right, so if I want to call set ID to set the value, then I pass a char star in. Again, you can make that const char star.
In this case, it doesn't matter that much because you're not
New
changing
ID.
it.
And the reason I could say const here is I said I'm not going to change this. I'm using this as a read-only value, not a write value. And then inside here, I cannot do this. If you do that, it will fail. And the reason it will fail is because the only thing you do when you do this is you alias. Now you have two different pointers pointing to that same memory location. So instead, don't do that. Instead, MID equals, whoops,
Oh, this was an strn. Well,
new char array string length of new ID plus 1 for my null character. And then string copy, except for you shouldn't use string copy. String copy MID new ID. I told you shouldn't use string copy, that's true. I'll show you the right way to do this. But first, the simple version. Does this make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So the reason you shouldn't use string copy is it's not safe. There is nothing in string copy that makes sure that I actually did this first.
So you need strncpy.
Yeah. So you should really use strncpy, which takes MID, new ID, and then string length, new ID, plus 1. And since you're doing this twice,
probably put that in a variable.
then make int length equals that. And then use length in both those places. So string in copy, not this one, is the safe one to use.
Nice thing about dumping it to an int is that you can actually say, okay, 150 characters is too many.
Yep.
Cut it off at 30.
Yeah, sure, the last question. So when you use new ID up in the argument, that's not literally like new ID.
No,
it's
it's not.
just
It's
just
all
whatever.
all one word.
Yeah.
It's like they always use like a whatever it is, like
Yeah.
a fam ID or something.
AID.
Okay.
So when you mentioned the language class,
Yeah.
and you mentioned changing that to use char stars, like, would that be okay? I mean, wouldn't we need to store a family object in
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, sorry, that was
Okay.
family, yeah.
You could.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure that.
Yeah.
it wasn't
It's
something-
it's just a linked list, whatever you point it to. For
Yeah,
that.
but you're right, it should have just changed to a family pointer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my last question, I swear. So then when you declare your array, that's basically your hash table, those are all head pointers, right?
Yes.
And then everything off of that is gonna be your linked list?
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay, so that's the declare it and then star, whatever.
Yeah.
Like when you're declaring the array,
Yeah.
there's two stars, because you're saying it's a pointer of pointers.
Yeah.
And then whatever, okay.
Yep.
You just don't want to get into templates because it gets ugly when you do that.
Yep. All right, more questions? Yes.
This one's just quick. Are we gonna get feedback for the program pre-design questions or no?
Yes, I need to do that too. I've actually done about half of them, I just need to
Okay.
finish the other half,
Okay.
so I'm guessing you're in the unlucky half. Okay? Nothing else? Okay.
In your insert example in the hash table helper test hash table .cpp, you have the insert as ID and then star family pointer. So that's just saying that it's an ID and then the object that's stored in the family pointer.
Right.
Okay. So when you declare insert, you want to declare it using a family object instead of a pointer.
Right.
Okay.
And I recommend also doing it as a reference, so that you don't have to do, you're not making an extra column when you do that.
Mm.
All right. So